Hey YouTube, it's Michael Lambert here. I'm back once again with another reaction video. Once again, I'm reacting to the endorsement in this video. Dairy Queen, Reese's, Peanut Butter Cup, Pie Blizzard review, the endorsement. This is the new one that he uploaded yesterday, and I'm going to react to it right now. And if any notifications pop up during the video, I apologize and I will take care of them. Now let's get to this video.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? Let's hope this doesn't melt. You know my track record lately with blizzards, but the returning, what is this again? The peanut butter, no, Reese's Peanut Butter Cup, Peanut Butter Cup Blizzard is back. Graham Cracker Crumbles and Reese's Peanut Butter Cup. I went with chocolate ice cream because I can. And it's America, and I wanted chocolate ice cream, so we're going to get into this. Cue the intro. What is up, everyone? It is the endorsement, and it is time for another review. This is where I try something and tell you if you should like it or not. I could be very persuasive. This one is not melting as fast as some of the others.
Wow.
Chocolate ice cream, graham cracker crumbles, Reese's Peanut Butter Cup, and I'm gonna tell you, because I was in the mood for a little treat today, I spent the whatever they charged me. It said right on the menu, extra topping, whatever we want to charge you. I said, okay. This was a $300 blizzard. All right, so there you go. Chocolate ice cream.
Wow.
Trust me, there's Reese's Peanut Butter Cups in there. You're not going to see it much with the chocolate ice cream. Wish me luck. Ooh, a lot of graham, too. A lot of graham. Yum. And she did turn it upside down. There's a sign on the drive-thru says if we don't turn it upside down, next one is free. She turned it upside down.
Wow.
It's expensive. We all know it. It's still in business, so people still come. They definitely do visit Dairy Queen. Tons of topping. I paid for it. Tons of graham, too. I didn't ask for extra graham.
Whoa. Wow.
I think with the extra,
Whoa.
this was like 6 and change. 16.
Whoa.
This is very close to my go-to. Little drippage. My endorsement go-to blizzard, I think I've said it before, is chocolate ice cream, Reese's Peanut Butter Cup, and cookie dough. That's my personal go-to. So this is close. I personally wouldn't mind throwing some cookie dough into this, getting the crumbles, the graham cracker crumbles, Reese's Peanut Butter Cup, and cookie dough. Boom. Boom. Will be a Reese's Peanut Butter Cup cookie dough pie blizzard. But
yeah.
I like it. I mean, what's not to like? Great soft serve, great chocolate flavor, enough topping. I don't normally splurge for the extra topping, but when I'm in the mood like today, I wanted it. I just wanted it. Is that okay? Is that okay with everyone out there? I just wanted it today, and I paid for it because, you know, I got a money tree in the backyard. No. Yeah. You ever do the, what can I name it? The Dairy Queen swirl, where you go around the edges trying to find some topping? Like, all right, there's none right there, but over right here, no. Oh, there's some. So then you get a little topping, a little Dairy Queen test swirl. So yeah, it's a new blizzard. I think it's the blizzard of the month. The whole texture of the graham cracker crumbles is nice. Give it a nice little mouthfeel. You familiar with the mouthfeel? Just saying. All right, so listen. This is good. This is really good. But again, did you expect anything less? The only thing that I have against Dairy Queen, 3 things. High prices, they melt fast, and you don't get enough topping when you order a Blizzard without paying the extra. And let me tell you, I'm going to go on record as saying sometimes I pay the extra, and there's no extra. There's no extra. Let's just keep it a buck. Let's just keep it 100. Just saying. I'm getting a bunch. I don't know what's going down in the nether regions of the cup over here. But right now, a quarter of the way through. Not bad. Not bad, DQ. The girl who handed it to me did the little flip. Had some nice ink work on the arms. And I don't know if you're like me. I wanted to say, oh, I like your ink. Or, oh, I enjoy your tattoos. Nice tattoos. Something like that. Where'd you get them done? But I'm like, she probably gets that all the time. So, internally, I was asking her, but that's not getting me the answer. I'm in rare form today. All right, so listen. You're just eating dessert with me. I like it. We'll do a quick rating, 1 to 100. Oh yeah, kind of digging into the middle there. Nice toppings. All right, 1 to 100. 92. 92, because if my go-to is like a 95, 92. Really good. Hitting the spot.
Wow.
I'm calling it dessert. I'm sorry. I'm calling it dessert. But I didn't even eat lunch yet, so it's not even dessert. So I guess that's my lunch. It's the first thing I've eaten today, and it's 1:39. So, all right, listen. Thank you so much for joining me. Please don't forget to check me out on Instagram and Twitter. That is social media, getting the word of my channel out to the masses. In closing, light up the comments about Dairy Queen. Do you like it, and do you agree? Overpriced, most times not enough topping, and it melts very quickly. Simple. 3 simple questions, and if you disagree with any of them, we're gonna go. Because that's just my opinion. Happens all the time. We know the prices too. How much does soft serve actually cost? Is it like soda? No, it's obviously more than soda when you get it out of the fountain, and they're charging like $2.99 for a large Coke now in some places. But all right, that's it. I digress. Thank you so much for joining me. I really did like that. I am happy you came along with me for this review, and we'll see you soon with some more reviews. Bye.
Yes. Yes. Nice. Nice. Awesome video. I give it a thumbs up. And let me take care of these notifications. I'll be right back, everybody. Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that, everybody. And I'm sorry for mumbling to myself, too. Sorry about that, everybody. My bad. And I hope you all enjoyed this reaction video. If you're all new to my main channel, or my second channel, or to the endorsements channel, make sure you guys subscribe. Give both our videos a thumbs up. Hit the notification bell to let you guys know when we both post. And share both of our videos with your friends and family members too, please, everybody. Yes. And on my main channel, we are on the road to 9,000 subscribers. And on my second channel, we are on the road to 4,000 subscribers. And please don't forget to take a look at my other videos on my channel's playlists. On both my main channel and my second channel. And give them a thumbs up. And share them with your friends and family members too. Please, everybody, I would really appreciate it. And please help me accomplish my goal to get 9,000 subscribers or more on my main channel and 4,000 subscribers or more on my second channel too. Please, everybody, I would really appreciate that too. And please help me bring my views and watch hours up on my main channel by taking a look at my other videos that are on the 2 playlists that are on my main channel, and give them a thumbs up and share them with your friends and family members too. Please, everybody, I would really appreciate it. And please help me bring my subscriber count up on my main channel as well. Also, please, everybody, I would really definitely appreciate that too. And I'm off now, so until next time, see ya.